Hi guys, we're in Terminal 3. We're about to board in a few minutes. Jump. Oh, bro. Pag. Sana. Yan, see. That's Air Canada. So
Guys, Ati. Guys.
hello. We're guys in the two phone. Oh my gosh.
Ayan.
This is for vlogging. Show some respect next time. So we're on our way to the plane. Yeah. Dami na naman ang bansa. Grabe. Huh. Sa Facebook ko na rin siya ipopost. Sa Facebook.
Uy, on time daw.
On.
On time sila.
Sino? Katay? Ayun yung Katay, Hong Kong or...
Ano? Terminal 1 ba yun?
2.
Where's the terminal 1?
Layo pa. That's Terminal 2. Doon pa sa dulong-dulo yung pinaka-Terminal 1. Tapos, parang gusto ko rin magbanyo. Ang poop. No, pag that important. Educational. Ah, yes.
我哋而家首先邀請國泰航空 CS11 號航班嘅優先登機座別1號嘅乘客，包括我哋嘅國泰專乘客會員以及唯一家族補償會員嚟到閘口登機。歡迎第一組優先登機座別嘅乘客。
Cathay Pacific Flight CX9121 for Hong Kong, calling attention of passenger don't shoes out. Once again,
Go.
passenger don't shoes out. If you're kind of yourself,
I can hear Chinese.
Thank you.
Sa madali gate. Nagoya. That's Go. That's Goya. Going to Nagoya, Japan. And Tokyo. Hi guys, boys, say hello.
Hi, hello.
Oh, the fog. Dirty thing. Don't say that.
11
What are you saying? 21. I think we shall ride PAL na lang instead. Or ANA. Hala. Oh my god, we have an issue with the gate. Ah, 105. Gate 103. My gosh. So guys, nag-conflict ang AirAsia tsaka ang conflict ang AirAsia flight going to Hong Kong, Osaka. Otherwise, we have to stop over Hong Kong na muna. Or Tokyo na lang. We shall go to Tokyo na rin. Tokyo na lang tayo. Then we take the train to Osaka. Magastos pa ang natin. We'll take the hours again, bro. So let's do this. Here, this is our tap where we are. From the departure here to the arrival. Change na siya ang gate. Nang 1 tayo. 2 sa 2. Change na siya. Guys, oras na. Nilalamig na ako, parang kailangan ko na If you're a foreigner here living other country and you had vacation here, you can buy Shisharon. That's the view. That's the Naiya Highway. My God.
May CR pa ba dyan?
Hala. Hindi we come back. Kasi ako ay mag-ano rin. I think sa arrivals. Baba muna tayo. Then we go back. Yes. Donmong, Osaka. Donmong, I think. With my wife now. Okay. I'll end the video for now.